If you're experiencing login issues with the Deutsche Bank mobile app, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Deutsche Bank mobile app. Installing the latest version can resolve bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Reset your password. If you suspect that your login credentials may be incorrect, use the Forgot Password feature on the login screen to reset your password. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 4. Clear app cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Deutsche Bank's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.